Welcome back, students. Students, this is in continuation to class 5th for the subject of mathematics, topic time and temperature, which is being submitted to you on 30th November 2020. Now, children, in previous video, we have learnt about how to tell a time in different ways. Now, in this video, let us discuss about the different units of time from smallest to largest. Now, children, the smallest unit of a time is seconds. Seconds. Then we will move from smallest to largest. Now let's read it's seconds, then minutes, hours, days, week, month, year. Now, children, you already know the relation between all these units. Let us repeat one more time. It's second, minutes, hours, days, week, month, year. Now, children, let's have a quick look on the relation between all these units. So let's have a look. It's 1 year is equal to 365 days, or in a leap year, 366 days. I repeat, 1 year is equal to 365 days or 366 days in a leap year. Now, next is 1 year also have 12 months. 1 year is equal to 12 months. You know that it's January, February, March. Okay. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. Next is 1 month is equal to 4 or 5 weeks. Now, children, in some months we are having 4 weeks, and in some months we are having 5 complete weeks. Okay. So 1 month is equal to 4 or 5 weeks. Next, 1 month is equal to 30 days. It can be 31 days, 28 days, or 29 days. It can be anything. Now, next, 1 week. So, sure, 1 week is equal to 7 days. In 1 week, how many days are there? 7. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like this. Now, next is 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Now, next one, 1 hour, 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, children, we have already done all these things in our previous class. So, let's again have a quick revision. 1 year, 365 days or 366 days. Okay. Then 1 year, 12 months, 1 month, 4 or 5 weeks, 1 month, 30 days, 31 days, 28 days, or 29 days. 1 week, 7 days, 1 day, 24 hours, 1 hour, 60 minutes, 1 minute, 60 seconds. Now, children, again, it's the same rule. If you want to convert a bigger unit into smaller unit. If you're converting a bigger unit into smaller, then you will multiply. What you will do? You will multiply. I repeat, if you want to convert years into months, you will multiply. Okay, children? If you're converting a bigger unit, the largest unit, into smaller, you will multiply. While converting a smaller unit into bigger, you will divide. Again, I'm repeating. If suppose you are converting seconds into hours, then you will divide. Okay. Now let's have a quick questions in this. Let's have a look at the questions based on these conversions. Now, the first one is convert the 1 hour, convert 1 hour into minutes. Now, children, what you have to do? You have to convert 7 hours into minutes. Now, children, first of all, you have to see that you are converting a bigger unit into smaller. Okay, you are converting hours into minutes. So here you have to multiply. So now before multiplying, let's see the relation between hours and minutes. What is the relation between 1 hour and minutes? Now this is the relation. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. What it is? 1 hour, 60 minutes. Now children, to convert 7 hours into 60 minutes, sorry, it's 7 hours into minutes, you have to multiply. So now you will multiply your 7 with 60. What you will do? You will multiply 7 with 60, and whatever answer comes, that will be your minutes. So 7 into 60 is your 42 minutes. So 7 hours is equal to 420 minutes. Okay. Why we have multiplied here? Because we were converting hours into minutes. We were converting a bigger unit into smaller. So you will multiply. Okay. And 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Let's move on to the question number 2. It is convert 6 weeks into days. What you have to do? 6 weeks into days. Again, week into days. You are converting a bigger unit into smaller. So children, again here you will multiply. First have a look at the relation between week and days. Let's go back to this. So this is your relation. 1 week is equal to 7 days. How much? It is 7 days. Okay, so now you will multiply 6 weeks with 7 days. So it will become 6 into 7, that is 42 days. So what is your answer? 42 days. So you can say that 6 weeks is equal to 42 days. Okay, now let's move on to the example number 3. That is, you have to convert 4 minutes 15 seconds into seconds. Now children, you have 4 minutes 15 seconds and you have to convert into seconds. Okay, now look at this question. Children, in this question we want seconds. So we have to convert this 4 minutes into seconds. What you have to do? You have to convert this 4 minutes into seconds. Okay, this 15 seconds are already in seconds, so there is no problem with this 15 seconds. We just have to convert 4 minutes into seconds first. So you know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So what you will do now? Now you will multiply 4 with 60. When you multiply 4 with 60, your answer will come in seconds. So your answer will be 4 into 60 is 240 seconds. What is your answer? 240 seconds, and you have to add now 15 seconds. So after adding, your final answer is 255 seconds. What is your final answer? 255 seconds. Okay, children, is it clear to everyone? Now, children, we are having two more conversions or two more relation. That is, 1 decade is equal to 10 years and 1 century is equal to 100 years. Now, if we have crossed 10 years, that becomes 1 decade. And if we have crossed 100 years, it becomes 1 century. So remember these two relation also. I repeat, 1 decade, 10 years, 1 century, 100 years. Okay. Now let's move on to our question number 1. Now children, again I have taken few questions from your book exercise 11.2. No, sorry, it's 14.2. Let us discuss questions one by one. It's very easy. I know there is no need of explanation. Let's discuss. Now, first one, question number 1, so easy. The three hands of the clock are, you know the answer. How many hands are there? Three. Can you name them? Yes, it's hour hand, minute hand, second hand. You have three hands, that is hour hand, minute hand, and second hand. Now let's read the B part. That is, the smallest unit of the time is seconds. Okay, children, what is the smallest unit of the time? That is second. Now, next C part. Dash second are there in 1 minute. In 1 minute, how many seconds are there? That is 60 seconds. Okay. Now, let's do our question number 2. You have to convert the following into second. Now, children, you have to change 3 minutes 5 seconds into seconds. We have just discussed this type of question. Let's discuss one more time. You have to convert 3 minutes 5 seconds into seconds. Okay. So, here we have to convert 3 minutes into seconds because 5 seconds are already in seconds. So we have to just convert 3 minutes into seconds. And children, you know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. How many? 60. So to convert 3 minutes into seconds, you have to write 3 multiply 60. What you have to write? It's 3 multiply 60. Okay? So now 3 multiply 60 is equal to 180 seconds. In fact, children, here also it will come seconds. It will be seconds. Okay. So 3 multiply 60 seconds plus 5 seconds is equal to 180 plus 5. It will be 180 plus 5. So your final answer is 185 seconds. So it means 3 minutes 5 seconds is equal to 185 seconds. Now children, your conversions are really very easy. So first of all, you have to learn all the relations. Then only you can do all these conversions. So now children, this is the end of today's topic. Let's see what homework I have given you. Let's go back to our homework part now. Now, children, these are your homework questions. Now, children, in this chapter, we have discussed only 14.1 and 14.2, and we have discussed how to tell a time in different ways. Then we have done the relation among the units, different units of time. And the last thing we have done, conversions. Please do all the questions which we have discussed in your mathematic registers as well as these homework questions. So your homework is exercise 14.1, question number 1 B and C part, question number 2 B, question number 4 B part, exercise 14.2, question number 1 D and E, question number 2 A. So children, I hope you are clear with today's lesson, and rest of the concept and exercise of this chapter we will cover in our next week assignment. Okay children, thank you so much.